We believe that provision of housing for all is key in promoting sound health, dignity, safety, security, inclusion, and social well-being of our citizens. The government of Kenya has therefore prioritized the achievement of affordable housing agenda. However, we recognize that the challenges of provision of adequate housing are immense and global, and hence the need for member states to come together for a holistic approach. Housing is key mandate of the UN Habitat. As you continue our deliberations, we hope that member states will explore options for enhancing the mandate of the UN Habitat in supporting states to address housing challenges.